How to fill a table with color in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fill a table with a color in Google Docs. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, simply open the Google Docs from the Google. And here, once you are inside the Google Docs, you can simply create a table on the blank page. And here, once I'm done creating the table on the blank page, so if you want to color just one cell, just right click inside that cell and select table options. And then here at the right side, you can simply click on cell background color and choose your desired color. And now here, to fill multiple cells, you can highlight the ones that you want, let's say 3 cells, and after that you can simply right click and go to the table option and choose the background color to those selected cells. And finally, if you'd like to change the outline colors of an entire table, you can just highlight the whole table and go to the table border color and choose the color that you like. And that's it. That's how you can change cell and border colors in Google Docs table. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.